Hi there! Welcome to today's English lesson. This is Word Stories, where we turn simple stories into unforgettable vocabulary. Learn 5 new words in every episode and make them stick.
Sophia had seen the mirror before. It was always there, at the end of the hallway in her grandmother's house. Old, tall, and silent. But that night, it looked different. She walked slowly toward it. The lights were off, but the mirror glowed softly. When she got closer, she saw something strange. Her reflection was there, but it moved differently. Then a line of words began to appear across the glass. The truth is waiting. Sophia touched the mirror. It felt cold, but alive. A whisper came from behind the glass. "Do you want to know the secret?" She didn't move. She just nodded. More words appeared. "Only if you believe." Sophia took a deep breath. She looked at the mirror. Then she whispered back, "I do." And the mirror opened. Now that we've heard the story, let's take a closer look at the words we learned today. Are you ready? Let's begin. Mirror. A mirror is something that shows your reflection. When you look in a mirror, you can see yourself, your face, your eyes, your smile. But in some stories, mirrors show more than just your face. They show memories, magic, or even other worlds. Example sentence. She looked into the mirror and saw something that wasn't there before. Secret. A secret is something hidden. It's something people don't know, because it's private or mysterious. Secrets can be good or bad. In stories, secrets are often the key to something big. Example sentence. The girl found a secret written on the back of the mirror. Appear. To appear means something wasn't there, and then it is. It can happen quickly, like a light, a shape, or a person. When something appears, it surprises us. Example sentence. A small light appeared in the corner of the mirror. Whisper. To whisper means to speak very quietly. Whispers are soft, secret, and close. People whisper when they're scared, hiding, or sharing something important. Example sentence. She heard a whisper from the other side of the mirror. Believe. To believe means to think something is true, even if you can't see it. We believe in friends, in dreams, or in something magical. Believing gives us courage. Example sentence. She didn't understand the secret, but she chose to believe it. Great job! Now you know 5 new English words. Can you make your own sentences using these words? Write them in the comments. I'll be reading them.
That's it for today's word stories. Now you know 5 new words and how to use them. Practice them, repeat them, and don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell. And hey, don't forget to come back for the next story.